Guys, is this a shallot? It just came out the center of the onion. Put the egg in a little onion cup. And cheers.
I think out of all the spicy ramens, this one is my favorite, the carbonara one. It's a little bit more sweet than the other ones, which helps balance out the spiciness. I can eat this one, whole bag, no issue. Other ones, issue. This one, not too spicy. Alone. Or if you make like, spring rolls with it.
I made my ramen so good this time.
Let's play a game. Team Spice or no Spice? Comment below.
Buldak taco. The most beautiful taco. It's not that spicy. It's good, it's fine. First time I'm trying this and it's so good. So crunchy.
Today I'm eating Buldak noodles with butter chicken. Have the first bite. Check this out. Piece of chicken. I think we created a masterpiece. You guys have to try this.
Always crave late night ramen, but when I do, this is the move. Maybe pepper. Can't be that right. That's you're the taste.
Dave's hot chicken with Buldak noodles. I already see the noodles look dry comments.
What's up, big bags? We got some Buldak and chilies.
For dinner today, we have some canes and Buldak. But before we get started, you already know we have to quickly prepare our drink. Okay, my big back baddies, let's go ahead and go with our first bite. And y'all know we have to try it with the cane sauce. This is a new combo. I'm so scared. Oh my gosh, you guys. Wait a minute. Hold up. Wait a minute. It's the Mr. Postman. With this cane sauce, I was not expecting it to eat down like that. The only thing with canes is their tenders are pretty small. So I have to take like smallish bites kind of. But I just cannot believe how freaking good this is. I feel like at this point I'm doing like battles of the tenders because we've tried like 3 different tender places with Buldak, and honestly it's so hard to tell which one's my favorite. Let's get a bite of just some Buldak. Alrighty guys, and let's go ahead and finish this off with our last bite. Ooh, big bag baddie, take a bite of that right now. And you already know we gotta wash all this goodness down with our drink.
For me, when I like my ramen, I like it a little al dente, so it's kind of like hard. It's undercooked. See, I don't know, it is cooked, but I like it a little bit more firm and stringy. No, do I be at 17-year-old son in the face. See, I know a good friend, truly.
These are a little bit dry. Sometimes I like my noodles a little drier. I was craving Buldak so bad today. Imitation crab. I try not to have Buldak too often because obviously it's not good for you, but I hadn't had it for 2 months and I was just craving it so bad today, so I had to give in. Some kimchi as well. Cucumber. I don't know why eating out of the pan makes the food taste so much better somehow.
Today we have Buldak and Dave's hot chicken. First bite, bless. also saw that they have fried mozzarella now, so I got one.
The surgeon said that's not normal that the teeth are moving like that. He said it's not a bone problem and that the orthodontist should take a look at it. And I was like, what? We shall find out tomorrow what's happening with his teeth.
Today I have quattro cheese bulldog. Here's your bite.
Does anyone else have a really hard time with spicy food? But the taste is so addicting and you're so used to it now, they keep eating it knowing that it's not good for you.
For dinner today, we have some juicy couture Buldak carbonara with some soup dumplings. Ooh, I'm salivating, so let's just get right into this bad boy. But before we get started, let's quickly prepare our drink. Here, take a bite. No, it's not poison. Just take a bite. Oh my gosh, you guys, that bite literally took me in a whole nother dimension. I don't know why I haven't thought of this beforehand. I also fried these soup dumplings, so they kind of have like a little crunch to them. But this combo right here is so freaking good. Sometimes y'all be asking me how I make my buldak, and sometimes I be wondering the same thing because why is this so good? I want you guys to let me know down below what are some combos that I haven't tried yet that you guys have been wanting me to try, because I feel like we need to switch it up and like start trying some like different combos, you know? Alrighty guys, we got one more last Hello Juicy Couture bite, and I'm just so ready to get into this bad boy. So, cheers, my queers. You guys, that one right there was nasty with the Poochie outfit. Like, don't ever play with her. But of course, you already know we gotta wash all this goodness down with my drink.